Did you know birds are more than just feathered friends? From tiny hummingbirds to giant ostriches, they come in all shapes and sizes. With their amazing feathers for flight and insulation, birds are true masters of the sky. And let's not forget about their epic migrations, diverse behaviors, and beautiful songs. These winged wonders play vital roles in our ecosystems and have inspired cultures worldwide. Birds truly are nature's incredible performers, showcasing beauty, diversity, and importance in our world.